Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I don't know what I'm going to call this, but if you wanted to draw, and I'm going to change it back because I was just playing with it, a bunch of rectangles, and then you wanted them rounded like that, and then you wanted another rectangle, maybe even different size, you would have to do that every time. But if you will click off that and go up to your rectangle tool before you select anything, turn that to 2 inches or whatever you want, press enter. Now every one you draw, it's kind of like setting the default for that item. Now you'd have to go back, if you want rectangle, you have to go back and change that because it's kind of making it as a default. So if you want regular rectangles, you need to just set it back. So it's I like a lot of other things, text tool and everything, like setting your hairline. You can't be selected when you set your hairline. You have to be off, and then this graphic screen will come up. But that's a pretty neat deal. If you had to draw a bunch of weird shapes and you wanted, instead of rectangle and changing them, before you click on anything, let's turn that to 2, press enter, and now every one you draw will have a 2-inch radius. Anyway, hope that helped.